Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanka. UABC section. Do you know? Yes, I am Jasmine. Introduction. Jasmine Prasad, most beautiful gift given as by nature. Jasmine names and that Jasmine, which means gift from God. Also, very beautiful. Smelly, white in colors. Smell is very nice. Jasmine blossom, Jenisa plant, ground in warm region. They are used in making for perfume, soap,